Mame Mao Akwaba and found Bragan and Sam TVGH so what friend me Addoa setting. Ebusiafo Nana Jantuah journalist na odini juma ewo Insura FM na dani day na yede Nana Jantuah ne ho ensem etae upload wo pages na onye bi hwepa Nana Jantuah a friend is a journalist for na almost sorry to NPP aban no omo trust omo ye neutral. It doesn't matter say NPP no also anase NDC abanya wo so aye diga na bon no beka na Nana Jantuah de ni ye nim say Nana do kra de bia waje ne girl anase we kunu ma na we kunu papa bi because ne so besi aka asem na say journalist de ye nim say sa asem no aban ne yade na say eya obebo na ba so na de enye no wa beka na Nana do ne penso de enye nkwa na omo kan o eni nya yize wo ga na ha na ende Nana Jantuah His Excellency the former president na Addo Akuffo Ekofie Nana Jantuah de nsem bia betu jo kire say His Excellency former president na Addo Akuffo ebo no modin ye papa ye ka best president o ma besin wo Ghana ha na Addo eye part na nke be ye kranka His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ensua former president na Addo Akuffo ne enanti anase nemi bi oye na Nana Jantuah kire se be kakra no ye be fe His Excellency Nana Addo Akuffo na sensem we nye yenko ne eka Ghana fu bebre na no mo kase enye nde ne be fe Nana Addo because Nana Addo foundation no bele no nya foundation ketwa o yes yeti ase se ne appointees ni bi ya krofo bambofo penu hu omugu Ghana ha omu fire is what we appointing no sika wia contract akese amfa so ni so no moje ene ma Nana Addo na membu ebe ya bidie ho but His Excellency Nana Addo Akuffo the former president obebo no modern as the president bi aba obeye na Nana Addo ne first term no ya na ne second term no ne appointees na adwombone na COVID-19 na be frame ni sikedinti no obeye the West president Nana Jantuah edin sema to George Nana Addo best president oye among best presidents on wabesi wo Ghana yentin sema ekoso
kasi Nana Akuffo anyehwe sure because Nana Akuffo early a certain foundation ne ho aye ahinintia banano na me ka che me students enra se edru ba bia ye behu se Nana Akuffo ye nyoma ye wi ase a nene miamia mbo ne gaye Nana Akuffo ebe ya ade ma Ghana oti ase Nana Akuffo ni problem ni nyina ye ahantan kakra bi ne suban kakra suban kekewo but Nana Akuffo investment no ye no e politics na ya na ye kan basa ba papa na djuma obeye ye ma Ghana no enche ye behu but you see na me catch you say John Mahama ehu no e gap once Nana Akuffo suban nti me de ma menye ni sei eno ane kekewu that is all that Ghanaians wanted she omampanyi Akuffo ya ade o but omampanyi Akuffo ni de nti etutia no ahantan ne nkrofo no ene etutia no but she once that so Akuffo di what you say atamils so na yesre no economy ehwan na yesre no onyunu dodo but atamils economy was one of the best best even best than Akuffo atamils what you say John Mahama Belay Foundation but no so problem is say amre no na oye young man na nkra na baby social teach nti enyoma ni bo ebeto no nti wan prepare what you say ena Nana Akuffo do ye experience by omo so hyase yi kopin say duru ba bia fe de na omo nim so maduru ho e free Nana Akuffo adodu de do to Nebuchadnezzar what you say good now o share John Mahama when we say sa nyoma no ena osua for me I like the 24-hour economy say you John Mahama so say one day said one factory na Nana Akuffo de buy on to us it's very important one district one factory no on to us here near the bay Burkina ye need factory tomatoes one of the best policy and Nana Akuffo de maye planting for food and jobs no on to us na on semu kina on abere kopoku minim so betimi aye mesrew say one district one factory na planting for food and jobs no eya de pa munsemu kina na mo expand no housing minister enye dollars nasem the year can ye was sustainable hunkrofo a building technology for no munchemo how to build sustainably but what I say ye ne sa within 4 years she say John Mahama discipline say ya ho Ghana obi obebe bia no onni sanse mu no
obesuro
kojo mahama gab na ode to no so okoni say ye be dey so obebreki
ano den ye headed towards single digit inflation ye ko ye ni ma cause ye betimi anya say
Emma John Mahama be di na de in 2016 about why ye ko tuntino John Mahama beka kire say wako commission phase 1 of University of Ghana Medical Center. And I say no problem. Minimum yenigidi. Nemum give me word kwa. Ye to me operationalizing in 2016. Ye di ayarefo ko ho. Emma womunya ayaresa in 2016. Our University of Ghana Medical Center. Obi to me trust record it is now there. Okay. Obi Achurubi. Tamils constructed an Atuabo gas pipeline. That one we all know, but they give it to Mahama, please. They give Atuabo to Mahama. Almost say, Mahama legacy. Me, I don't know why Tamils there. Like Tamils legacy, then all of a sudden, Jima Mahama, but we would expose him. Ebina me. Enti, erudite fishermen. Medan se waba. The readers are here now. Enti, Nyami Bisane say, Atamils na sebio owo befa na John Mahama bedi na de no. One of the monumental things and kapapanu to me ya edien yonyam shebe bra Atamils presidency was University of Ghana Medical Center. Mahama to me enwie enu nti 2018 mesiensi so Honorable Ajima Menu, the then health minister, was the one ye di enima finance ministry called J a year 50 million American dollars. Say, young money operationalize. And that is what happened. And we intimacy date. They are ye to me J Ayaresa Ewo University of Ghana Medical Center. Emma Yaka so Nadia Ayarufo to me Baha. Utie Ayarufo to me Baha maybe BIA then Ekosuye was in 2019. You can go check the records. You can check your parliamentary answer, the reports that was given by the health minister. Mama NDC for propagandist machinery now omo na yama philosophy ko achi eti omo no endu namo. Another thing John Dramani Mahama ebeton ya de owu ye mane baaye was Saglime affordable housing. Saglime affordable housing ye President Mills ne niswade ehunu na odwene say yen sisi dan na yen tumi mfa man nipa omo ye Ghana for at affordable price. The woman say, ya papa no bo modern a secure loan ni bibia ye de beye. And again, fofie Antoata and Atamil so call ye. It is anke ye po bi assess was shot Tamils and you nyamwa. Nanke ye John Dramani Mahama. A fate ye. Sagli Mesika ye $200 million. Omo beka kire ye say ye bam 5,000 units. 5,000 units. For $200 million American, by the way, at that time. Okay. Now, this is what it boiled down to. When the money came, and I'm giving you the reason why these days, IMF, those entities, no, you go do the work, you raise your own certificate, then the government can also pay. Because near this kind of more could and no Stagleme 200 million no. Na yedimu 197 million tieniye. Ye chicha di ama contractors. Nenso ye wie dankra ba akupo. Emfa light in komu a yebetumi aka say ye de ma han. Tap on the screen if you are watching on TikTok, please. Utie.